Why is that? Okay, let me tell you something a lot of people don't know. This yellow sap right here is actually like a natural laxative. So if you have any trouble going to the restroom, it only takes about a tablespoon of that and you drink and you're good to go.
Really?
And go. And go.
Well then.
We don't sell it anymore, but back in the day, the company used to sell this to the pharmaceutical industry. Before they ship it,
Really?
they used to cook it, boil it for like 10 hours. Why? When you cook it, when you boil it, it becomes solid, it becomes hard. And something solid is always easier to transport or to ship than something liquid.
Sure.
What will happen next in the laboratories abroad? They will crush it, they will grind it, and with the powder, they used to make back in the day laxative pills and laxative products. But around the 1960s, they stopped buying it. Why? Because they started using synthetics and chemicals instead. Why? Because it's cheaper. Not good for our health, but it's cheaper.
Sure.
So what the company did, they stopped working with this, and then they switched to the gel, and we started only making cosmetics. So what do we offer you now? Skincare products and haircare. That's what we offer you, right? What is the best way to get the gel out of the leaf? It's very easy actually, ladies and gentlemen. You only need a sharp knife. First thing you always do, you cut the back side of the leaf. Then you take the two pointy sides out. Then you take the second one right here. You like fishing, sir?
Yes.
But then you know what I'm doing, right? Skinning the fish, skinning the aloe. And then, ladies and gentlemen, where you back side of the knife, then you take it out like this.
Wow. Amazing.
Then this is the gel right here, ladies and gentlemen. Look guys, this gel you can also use it directly on your skin, or you can also eat it or drink it for stomach problems. But before you do any of that, I will always recommend you to do this. Soak it in plain water, at least for like 30 minutes. Why is that? Okay, two reasons. Around the gel, you're still gonna have a little bit of this. And some people may be allergic to the yellow sap on the skin. I saw people getting rashes, allergies, they even got burned. The second reason, I don't know if you guys want to smell it, the yellow sap, in my opinion, doesn't smell very nice.
I can smell it standing right here, so
For me,
yeah.
It smells like that odor with onions.
Yes.
I don't want that on my body. Some people say it's not that bad. For me, it's very bad.
Sure.
All right? So you're actually just soaking in the water just to get rid of the yellow sap right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
After you soak it in the water, then you can use it directly for like sunburn, kitchen burn, small wounds, or just as a moisturizer for dry skin.
Okay.
But you can also eat it or drink it. Why should you eat it? Especially when you have stomach problems like gastritis, stomach burn, small ulcers, acid reflux, or just as a detox. Remember, this is a detox, this is a laxative. It's
Sure.
two different things, so please don't confuse it, all right?
Yep.
How do you eat it? How do you drink it? You can just eat it raw, piece by piece, of course, after you wash it. Or you can just blend it with some other fruits and drink it like a smoothie. What is the taste of it? After you wash it, there is no taste. It's water, it's the cucumber actually. What's bitter is the yellow sap right there.
Okay.
Look guys, you have to know this. The aloe vera is not original from Aruba or the Caribbean. This plant is original from Africa. It was brought
Really?
to us for the first time back in the 1840s. By the 1900s, 2/3 of the island of Aruba was already covered with aloe vera. So Aruba's first big economy was the aloe vera economy, ladies and gentlemen. I can even say this. We as Aruba, we're the biggest exporter of the world. We exported around 60% of this to the whole world, ladies and gentlemen, back
Really?
in the day. And as you guys may know already, Aruba is a very small, tiny island. To produce 60% of the world use, that was huge for the island of Aruba. Another good thing is very important to know is this. The aloe vera doesn't grow by seeds. Let me show you something right here. The aloe vera gives you babies or shoes.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can just take them out and replant it again.
Sure.
How long will it take from a small baby plant to a fully mature plant in Aruba with this weather? 9 months, like a real baby. And after 9 months, we never harvest the whole plant. We only taken the bigger leaves from the outside because the aloe vera will regenerate from the inside. So you're gonna keep getting new leaves all the time. So we are able to use each one of those plants for maybe 20 or 25 years, ladies and gentlemen, the same plant.
Really?
What's the most important when you want to grow it? Not to give it too much water. If you overwater the plant, they will rot and they will die very, very fast. They are succulent, remember that, ladies.
Okay.
Questions?
How many acres do you have of
Okay, the whole
aloe
property,
right now?
The whole property is about 50 acres.
Okay.
Right now we only have 20 acres planted.
Oh,
But
okay.
about those 20 acres, we only use in about 10 acres.
Okay.
The other 10 is more like a reserve plantation. Why? Because only 10 acres has irrigation system. And Aruba doesn't rain a lot. Okay, this week we
Right.
had a little bit of rain, but normally they only get water like once a week or once every 5 days actually.
What about the big ones you see out like in the desert, like those